Okay, it's been about 9 months. I've owned this compressor here. It's the Dewalt DXCM251. It's got a 25-gallon tank on it, and it's fairly quiet. It's been doing the job pretty good. I've added a reel to retract the hose. That makes life a little bit easier. I haven't had any problems with it at all. I do use it quite a bit, probably close to every day, if not every other day. It's running on a 15 amp outlet. I've never had a problem with it blowing the outlet breaker. And I also have a little freezer running on there, and then from time to time we're charging our bad boy buggy too. So I haven't had to stop one and not use one and have any problems like that. Of course, we got some lights and stuff like that at the workbench. So I'm going to go ahead and sharpen some blades on my Bobcat brush cutter. I like to keep them sharp in between jobs. It's a lot easier on the deck, and we'll see how it does. I have a little grinder that I run off my air compressor. So let's see. Here we go. See how it works out. I think that's about got it. It didn't have any problem, obviously, running that. Even ran for quite a while before it kicked off.